Welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, it's a university room tour episode. Yes, I'll be touring. Oh, should I? Is it touring? Yes, my room with you guys today. And on my last upload, it was a room reset. I hope you remember this is my uni room tour, right? Like it's my uni room. So we are doing a tour today. So guys, ride with me. Hey guys. So um where do we start from? Okay, let's start from the bed area. Okay. So um this is my bed. I hope you guys love this decor that I just did here. Okay, so yeah, so this is my bed, and yeah, so this table and chair, I was actually making use of it before now, but I got a new one which I'll be showing you guys. Then this is my dressing mirror. This it. This is what it looks like. Okay, so just have most of my lady needs here, skincare and all of that stuff. So I also got this other mirror that can fit in. Like this other one is short, it doesn't fit, it doesn't show my full self, so I just had to buy this other one here. Let me show it better. Yeah, so this is it. Then we go over to the wardrobe. um this is my wardrobe. I have these used books here. Then I have this stuff where I put most of my toilet needs, laundry needs, and my clock. Okay, let me open the wardrobe. Is it? Okay. So this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Okay. Yeah. Then let's move over to um where I hang my handbags, and this is my tote bag for school, and I also keep my shoes here. Yeah. Then yeah, so this is basically the things that I have over here. So over here I have my this is my reading, yeah, the reading table that I told you I got a newer one. And yeah, so this is what my reading table looks like. I have my laptop, um some of my biro, highlighter, most recent textbooks. I have this mirror, my mini fan, right, my Bible notebooks, and I have this decor I did by myself. Okay, let me see if it's yeah, so this is it. This is what it looks like. So this is this area. And also have this laundry basket over there. Okay, so I think that's all for the room. So guys, let's move over to the kitchen. So this is my kitchen. Okay, where do I start from right now? I have this cooking stuff, cooking sets, right? Yeah, and this is my gas, my tabletop gas, the cylinder. Then I have this used to be my storage. It used to be my storage, but I said, okay, let me just start putting my pots and stuffs in there. So this is my pots. I have one, two, three in my kettle, then the frying pans. So that's it for here. I have my trash can over here. Then I have this mug cup that I love so much. I got it recently. Then I have this flax, vacuum flax. Yeah, this is it for here. Then over here, over here. Okay. Indomie rice, basmati rice, beans, uh, that green bucket. I think it's my what's there again? Egusi obono, yes. No, that's not it. It's dry fish and stockfish, yeah. They have my this is for storage, fridge storage. They have this glass cup and biscuits, sardines. Inside it there are these sweet corns and the rest of them. And I have my milk, beverages, lots of it inside, lots of things that are hidden inside. Yes. I have a golden one. I also have oats, checkers, custard, and I also have my what's that again? Granola. Yeah, it's hidden inside there. Okay, this is my syrup for pancakes then. Spice, spice. I just hope you can see this. I have spag and yeah, yeah. Just hope because so many things are hidden inside. Then over here, I have my medications and cornflakes, flour for pancakes, and have crayfish at the back of it. I have my spag. I have my granite oil. I still have this granite oil too. This is faster to use. Then I have my pastas. The remaining golden one that I couldn't enter the container. Then I have my red oil. And I have this. I got this recently. I've not used it yet. Yes. What do they call it again? It's a grinder or something. So these are the things over over here. Yeah, I think I'm done with this section, right? Okay, then let's move over to uh this particular side. Eh, look at the things that are here, right? These are basically kitchen needs. Then you see my plates rack. Have my plates and these are it. These are what I have over here. Yeah, so basically it's what I have here. Then down here I have my yam, potato, and onions, garlic. I store them over here. I have my mortar. I've never used it actually. Yes, so I have my blender, um my toaster having here, then the oga bata bata, my fridge. Should I open? Let me open it. So this is basically the things I have over here. So yeah, things that I need. Okay, so guys, over to the bedroom. Over to the bedroom. So have this foot mat. Then let's take a look at it. So this is basically what it looks like over here. I have my mirror, my this storage rack for my stoves. Then these are for brushing. And what else? So this is basically what I've got here. I have this drum just in case of emergency, but we do have running water anyways. Yeah, we do have running water, but just in case. These are toilets or tissue. This is for my soap.